I will tell you guys all about the fuel and the mileage and everything.
It's 39 on my thermometer.
Woo! Dude, my front tire is flat or something.
Morning.
Morning, how's it going?
Oh, is it here? Hurry.
Did you already print out your form?
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, shoot. I didn't do anything. Hi.
Look at all the Hondas and stuff.
Yeah. No, I'm not. Excuse me? Yes.
I came prepared.
I didn't. Do you take card? Oh, you want, man? You hook me up.
Over there.
Okay. Okay.
I jumped the gun for you.
You did, huh?
Yeah. You got door prize to fill out?
Oh, sweet. I think I'm good. Thank you. Thanks. When are we supposed to be leaving?
We can leave whenever we want.
I thought we don't have to go through like a time point thing, or
Yeah, we gotta go over there and then they fill out the form. Look.
that's the directions.
Yeah.
Can we just type in, because we're supposed to go to a checkpoint, right?
Yeah.
Where's the end of the checkpoint at? Are we supposed to write down our mileage right now before we leave?
That's what I did.
Where'd you write that down?
On there's a piece of paper in there.
This isn't a race, son. Don't forget it. Oh, start right here. Odometer.
Should have brought my tank bag so we could have the instructions.
Yeah.
Sit. I'll take a picture of it. Have it on my phone, I guess.
And thing is annoying.
Yeah. I think I have earplugs in.
2684. Jesus Christ.
Loud shit here.
All right, let's go do this so we can start. Do you know where we're going to the first checkpoint?
The first checkpoint is Wheeler's Smoke and Gas in Babton, apparently. Highway 241. I have no idea where that is. Alright, you should take a picture of it and pull it up on your phone.
I don't put my phone here when I ride, though.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I mean, I can still, you know.
Little checkpoint thing.
Can you Google Wheeler's Smoking Gas? Or are we not supposed to just go straight there? We're supposed to follow this route.
I think we're supposed to follow the route. Yeah, it's 3 hours straight there. 192 miles. And it says that this route is...
Well, there's one that says here 189 to 99. And you're
this part, 360 miles.
Okay, so...
I can add a stop here. Let's see. What's the...
Well, dude, I'll tell you what. Oh, you know what? Man, I wish we had some tape or something. I just taped this to the gas tank, and then we'll just follow it. It's not that hard to follow.
Oh, I have some tape if you want to tape it.
Yeah? Well, let's just tape it right here, dude. And then when I run out, we'll pull over, and we'll just flip it over and retape it, okay? Does that sound good?
All right.
Okay.
some electrical tape in my.
That's old school technology right here. Dude! Why is the alarm going off?
I don't know how well that stuff is gonna stick.
Yeah, dude, I don't know about this.
It's kind of shit.
Thank you. Oh, that'll work, dude. It's my navigation. All right. Okay, so we just go check in with these guys, then we leave? Oh, no, we got to do like this, huh?
Yeah, we gotta go.
So
Hey, that's what that guy's doing too. He's got it taped to his tank.
yeah, see, we ain't no dummies.
Big brain time.
All right, folks, welcome back to another episode of Oregon Motorcycle. We are at the Rose City 500. We're gonna put down some miles today, so
Alarm going off edition.
yeah. Oh yeah, perfect time for an intro. So I guess I'm just gonna keep this in my pocket and then roll through the checkpoint. Is that the idea here? I guess, huh?
I don't know. I'm watching, trying to see what they're doing.
Let's go. I'm going.
I think they have to sign this or something.
Yeah.
This form here.
Yeah, let's just roll through and have them sign it or whatever. I got mine in my front pocket. It's gonna be a long day of riding and I want to complete it.
Morning.
Morning, how's it going? Good. Thank you. All right, so we just went to the check-in point, folks, and we're gonna follow this. Oh, I could hear the feedback in your helmet.
Sorry.
It's all
Turn
right.
right down.
All right, let's roll. On our way. Woohoo! All right, guys, we're in Washington. We're about 100 miles in. We're at the AMPM. We stopped, warmed up for a minute, piss break, getting some gas, and the navigation system is actually working out really good. It's a little distracting. I think the phone is better overall, but was this 92? Oh shoot!
Hell yeah.
I think the first tank of gas I put in this was 92, and then it's been 87 after all then. So I might be going a little faster now that we got the good stuff.
81, not 80. You have the driver's license.
I wish it worked that way.
Yeah. Oh, I've been looking at race fuels, dude, for the YSR, and Jesus Christ, that stuff's like 30 bucks a gallon.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I'm good.
Okay, did I close my...
I don't want any purses falling out. Oh, the dude's scooter works good. Works better than that trailer. We go 59 miles, right at the stop sign to remain on Highway 12 at the Y at 182 north of Sahala. What the? God damn it. the snow level.
It's 39 on my thermometer.
Woo! Visor's all fogging up. All right, folks, we made it to Natchez, however you say that. We're in Washington. We just stopped off at this place, Chinook Center, and they got a little hole in the wall called the Drift Inn restaurant. We just stopped. I had a fat chicken fried steak with some mashed potatoes and all that good stuff. It's pretty decent. Little hole in the wall roadhouse grill right here got going on. So we got full belly, full tanks of gas. We are just under halfway done. We're about 220-ish miles right now. There goes some more bikes. Somewhere around there. So we're still on the first page of the navigation. So we're gonna be going, we should be hitting a Y and taking a right onto I-82. So this is where we're at. We're at the fuel stop here in Natchez. My front tire is flat or something.
Your rear might be.
Something's up.
Oh yeah, your rear's flat.
Shoot. Yeah, it's super hot. All right. Beautiful out here, man.
That's awesome.
Yeah. This is rad. Oh, you know what? Guess I should check my tire. Or I could just totally forget about it. Oh, it actually does feel a little low. No, it doesn't. The plug's still in there. Well, I hope it's not low. Alright folks, we stopped off here to switch the navigation. I had to flip the page on the navigation page, so we're on step number 15, I think, somewhere around that area. And we're about halfway through the trek. We're right at about 250 miles right now. We're in the Yakima Valley. So we're just putting the miles down. Hopefully my rear tire stays good. It should. It should. It's a beautiful country out here. Definitely gonna be back out here at some point. I'm gonna do some camping out here, hang out here for a while, because this area is pretty awesome. It's crazy that you can get away from the rainforest and dense woods and forests that we have around Portland like so fast. To get out here, it's a completely different landscape.
Maybe. I got no idea.
Price for motorcycles. This is a river.
Alright, 137.
Alright guys, well, we made it to the check-in point, and we're on the last page of navigation. So if you look on this paper, the last place is back to Bob Lamprey's.
How do you say that?
Bob Lamprey's. Bob Lamfers. I don't know. Whatever. It's the motorcycle shop where I bought this bike. And that's where we're headed back to. And let's see here.
So it looks. Oh, go ahead.
Well, we're averaging 55. Oh wait, no, that's 55 miles a gallon. And I've burned 6.7 gallons. And we're averaging 62 miles per hour, but that's only when we're rolling. And we've done 373 miles, and it's 2:40 p.m.
So the instructions on here are basically just like go back to Highway 14 and then get on I-84 and then go straight back to Bob Lamfair's.
So we're just booting it back on I-84 basically.
Yeah.
All right, whatever.
I mean, we got a ways to go to get back down there. We're pretty far.
Okay. It's been an awesome ride, you guys. Okay, just so you know, so like I said, we're over 370 miles into the trip today, and my butt's feeling pretty good. This is a stock seat, stock pegs, and I'm doing good. I mean, I'm feeling all right. My neck's a little sore, but that's because I haven't been sleeping right lately, so I need to get a new pillow. It has nothing to do with the motorcycle. If you guys are wondering, this bike is totally good for long distances. We've been going between 60, 70, and sometimes 80, but we kind of stopped cruising at 80 because we picked up a little souvenir for doing 81 in a 55. So we have approximately 130 to 140 miles left to go. So we're doing good. I mean, it's, we take another gas stop, spend another 20 minutes, say 2 hours. We're looking at getting back to Bob Lamprey's at about 5:30, 6 o'clock, I think, somewhere around that area. Bam, you can drive right up to those windmills, it looks like. Jesus. Those things are freaking huge, aren't they?
They are very, very big.
Yeah, they're just downright massive.
Yep.
Dude, epic scenery right here, man. With the green and the blue and the freaking huge, massive windmills that just go on for miles. Do you see how far they go back in there, dude?
Oh yeah.
They go for miles back there.
We were driving along that road, you could see them all over.
Look back in there. Crazy. Wow. Pretty cool. Good. A little tired.
We got it all recorded.
A little bit. I just wrote the miles on the back.
That's your halfway.
Yeah.
How about the current?
The current is let's see here. 21,234.
I turned in one of them. Yeah, check inside.
Okay. All right.
They got some prizes in there, certain categories, so maybe you qualify.
Okay. Thanks. Oh, sick, the spider. Here, get your Senna and get some charge. Alright folks, so I almost got the smallest bike entry or completion or whatever, but this KLX 250 did it. So I was second place, second smallest bike to complete the Rose City 500 today. So let's take a look at the stats here before we get out of here. And I will tell you guys all about the fuel and the mileage and everything about this Honda CB500X. I'll tell you right now that after I've been off the bike for about 10 minutes, I've gone to the bathroom, I feel really good. My arm towards the end of the day was getting a little sore right here, on my forearm a little bit, and my butt was starting to get a little bit sore, but other than that, I mean, you know, just it's not that bad. This bike is totally capable. The vibrations aren't bugging me, any of that stuff. So let's take a look here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll read it off to you guys, and we'll just start where it's at. So we average 63 miles per hour, and what I'll do is I'll post the average mile per hour down here, right here in the bottom of the screen somewhere, so you guys can see that. And so let's just scroll through here. We did a total, we're at Bob Lamprey's. I still got to go home, which is probably another 12 to 15 miles, but it's 564 miles that we did today, and took 9 hours. So we're exactly at 9 hours right now. It's 6:30, and we started at 6. We met at the gas station at 6, so that's 9 hours of riding. And we averaged 54.6 miles per gallon, so you guys can take that into consideration. So all day on the highway, mostly highway miles today, you know, 54.6 miles to the gallon. And I burned 10.3 gallons today on this trip, doing 564 miles. So there you guys go. There's the stats for the ride. We did over 500 miles today, and we did it right here on the CB500X. It was an awesome, epic day. Still got to get home. It is seriously beer 30. I appreciate all you guys hanging out. I don't know if I asked you guys to subscribe, but if I didn't, and if I did, whatever, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers right here on Oregon Motorcycle. And yeah, if you guys like this kind of content or like this video, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Helps my videos get good views and all that stuff. So yeah, kick back. I'm gonna play some of the map. I'm gonna just maybe play the map from the start to the beginning or whatever. So I don't know. Till next time folks, Oregon Motorcycle.